Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox this beautiful design Christmas tree from a new company. The name is ArtMinds that is sold in Michael's. I've been looking at this design for a really very long time, but unfortunately, this very kit was out of stock for like a month, and only a few weeks ago finally it became available, and it was a really good news. On top of its being on sale, the original price is 15 bucks. I purchased it for $7.50. So let's open and see how it looks inside. So this is the canvas. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters, which is a pretty standard size, and it is really very easy to find a frame for it in various colors. Now, this kit includes 29 colors. All of them are resin drills, but you know my passion to customization of the kit, and one of the reasons why I liked this design was that I have a lot of ideas on how to modify this kit. And let's see at the symbol printing. It is great, very clear, no round, black wheels around the symbols. I really like the quality of the canvas because it straightens up as soon as I put it on the floor. Really nice, very cute design, really nice. And I'm thinking of replacing white resin drills with ABs on the snow. I'm also thinking of replacing resin drills on the Christmas tree with ABs, and the ornaments on the Christmas tree would be diamond painted with crystals, most likely. The stars on the sky as well, I want either to use white AB diamonds or transparent ones. So we'll see. And the star on the Christmas tree will be customized with sparklers. So now let's look at the diamonds. And I forgot to mention that the kit, of course, comes with the instructions along with a set of the set of tools. Now let's have a look at the drills. The colors are really very vibrant. I have a few kits, not a few, a lot. I've recently purchased like, I don't know, 5 or 6 kits from this company. And unfortunately, I haven't had a chance to work on the kits from this company, ArtMinds. So I cannot say anything about the quality of the drills, but they look pretty nice. Too bad they're not sorted out in individual Ziploc bags, but that's okay. But this kit does not include any ABs. So that's what I'm going to do. I will replace white color with white AB. Looks kind of green, right, on the camera? Very weird. I have light blue AB diamonds. I have dark blue AB diamonds. I have yellow AB diamonds. I have green AB diamonds. Actually, this kit includes a lot of, green color shades. And I will add a few sparkling accents, and I think it will turn out amazing. But from what I see, quality-wise, I really think the quality is high. But we will see once I start working on this kit. I'm planning on doing it as soon as I complete this angel from Diamond Dots. It's a 30 by 30 centimeters kit, and I wanted to work on something really very small and fast and easy, and this kit includes only 11 colors, so it's great after completing, a bigger kit. And as soon as I'm done with this one, I will start working on this kit, Barn, also from ArtMinds, and I will mention, how it feels quality-wise. The canvas, the glue, the drills. And that's it for today. A very short video. Just wanted to briefly introduce you to this very design. that I got. Very this kit. I really like it. And I mean, I'm impressed at the price. $7.50 for a 40 by 50 centimeters kit on a fabric canvas. It's huge. Very good deal. This is it for today. I will leave a link in the description box below because although it is available on in Michael's, I could purchase it only online. In my, it's out of stock in my store. That's it for today. Thank you so much for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching and Merry Christmas.